Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. Things are good. Ethereum, man, Ethereum is having its day today, up to $3,800. Bitcoin struggling a little bit since $58,000, but it was great to see Bitcoin at $58,000 yesterday. So I'm going to go live on TikTok in a few minutes and, howdy, Andrew. What's up, AMP? I don't know what's going on with AMP. I haven't looked into AMP in a minute here, but I'm not worried about AMP at all. So is AMP up? Is AMP down? I'm assuming it's just flat. So, oh yeah, it's a little down. Not worried about it. I think, hello, Jay Zeno. Do I think, all right, Ethereum will have a pullback soon. I think it's a little too soon right now. I think Ethereum's going to cross its all-time high in November. So we still have a couple weeks. VeChain's having a nice pump. Good to see. Good afternoon, Jimmy. Do you think Ethereum will have a bear market? No, I don't. So yes, I still think Litecoin's going to 1,500. Good afternoon, Albert. Good morning, Austin. Good afternoon, Renaissance Man. Let's gain some weight. There we go, Rel. Got a lot of skin in gain. We can appreciate your advice. Can't wait for your course. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Enough for now of the jibba jabba. On my part, at least, I'm going live on YouTube. So as always, or on TikTok, as always, I will prioritize the YouTube chat. Yeah, let's gain some weight. So here we go. Going to get this set up. Man, I'm looking forward to 100,000 followers on TikTok. What's your favorite indicators? Do you use fib retracements or something else? I really like fib retracements. But I mean, I'm more of a glass node man. So glass node's a big one, but fib retracements are up there. My favorite YouTube guy is the blockchain backer, and he uses fib retracements for pretty much everything. So let's see. Biggest bag is Theta at 1050. Will I be okay? I believe so. Yes. So I love it when a plan comes together. Robert Willis. Yes, sir. I meant, will Ethereum come back down to what it was yesterday before it reached all-time high? I understand what you're saying, what you're asking, and I don't know about going down to where it was yesterday. I just think it's going to be slow. Yeah, I think it could. I think it could go down to where it was yesterday. So good morning, Everardo. You think XLM can hit $1 in HBAR? Those are going to be my risky plays. I think both of those will hit $1. Yeah. Can I finally show Shiba some love? No, I will never show Shiba love. Why would I show them love? I don't. Just because they've gone up over the past couple weeks, it's like I didn't do that when SafeMoon pumped like crazy. So no, I'm not going to. Sorry, and that's maybe the thorn that you're going to have to live with. That's in your side when it comes to me and Shiba Inu. Solana break upward today. I mean, who knows? Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I think Solana still has some upward movement to go. I don't think we've seen an all-time high. Until when do you think this bull run will last? December for Bitcoin, everything else in January. Yeah, SHIB don't need me. That's okay. That's perfectly fine. I'm fine with SHIB not needing me. So should I sell anything now? No. Nah. Can XLM hit $4? It's possible. I don't think this run, but next run, yeah. 4 years from now. ETH end of October, beginning of November, right around where it is now, honestly. I don't think it's going to go that much higher for the rest of the month. So just check my graph. Bitcoin was 38K on September 6th. The lowest, what? 38K on September 6th. What are you talking about? September 6th, it was $53,000. Should I buy anything? Yeah, I mean, in general, you should be buying right now, I've been saying don't wait for a dip. Not anymore. Not until the end of this run. Just get in. 10 quant or 1 ETH for this bull run. I'll say 1 ETH. I mean, no, yeah, 1 ETH. How certain are you that we're going bull? I'd say 90 to 95%. I'm never going to say 100% for anything. So Aave 4 figures this cycle. You're going to buy the ETFs when they come out? No, I won't. Where will you stake your USD coin when you pull profits? Where will you stake? Oh, wherever gets me the best returns. So Adriana, hope you're doing well. Maybe dumb question. ETH is pumping. There's any chance this bull run could be different? ETH first, alt second, then Bitcoin last. Oh man, it's possible. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that could be possible. I don't think so. Because all right, Ethereum peaked 27 days after Bitcoin in 2017 to 2018, and then it peaked 27 days after Bitcoin earlier this year. in April and May. So I think it's going to do the same thing, something similar. Lou, hello. Bitcoin, December 21st pump and why? I chose that as a date. There's a lot of similarities between now and 2013. The 2013 first peak was around the same time as the first peak for for this year. And so, and then it peaked in November 30th of 2013. And I think that was a little too soon because of things going on with the Silk Road. Way too long to explain it right now, but yeah. ADA will get to 7 USD in January. I'm thinking more like $8. Bitcoin, let's see, has Uphold not given you any trouble? I wanted for XRP, but reading the horrible reviews has me worried. Jace, a lot of platforms don't have very good reviews. So it's one of those things that I'm not worried about Uphold. Thought me on Algorand. I mean, I'm still saying $7 for Algorand. Good morning, Evil D. XRP top $8 to $10. Dent coin to the moon. Sure. Yeah. I don't follow Dent all that much. Bull trap Bitcoin at 59.5K. That's not what bull trap looks like. Bull traps look like. It's different than that. And so, no, I don't think Bitcoin's going to have its second peak or so. That would be more like a double peak. And I don't think so. No, I just find it hard to comprehend that the crypto market will just increase in trillions. Here's the thing. All right. I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking that people are going to put $1 trillion into Bitcoin and that's going to cause the price to, that's what's needed to cause the price to double. What if I told you it's only $9.3 billion? That's what it takes for Bitcoin's market cap to double. An increase of $9.3 billion of buying. That's all it takes. Thank you, CVO Crypto. I mean, you can sit here in disbelief all you want. I'm sticking with what I have, and I'm very confident about it. So I made roll call. Okay, Smooth September. Hello, Trump rules. Good morning. Mitchell Espinosa. Good afternoon for me. Matic price prediction, $8. AMP to $1. How will the market look in the coming days? Maybe, yeah, CVO's back. Maybe we'll get to 60, 61, 62 next week and then be rejected there and then, get on the way back up at the end of the month for Bitcoin and cross the all-time high like the first week of November. So time to take money out of Bitcoin and put it in what? No. Good afternoon, Smooth September. Oh, shoot. What's going on? Something's up with YouTube. Give me a second. Come on. I am live on YouTube. I'm trying to be live on YouTube. Maybe we're good now. I got a notification that I was offline. So suggestions for DAG wallet. I still haven't looked into it. Sorry. Stargazer for DAG. Okay, there we go. ETH, $8 to $10. It's possible for $8 to $10. I'm saying more like 8. Doge to $1. Shiba's I think has a 3x in it left. I don't think it's going to be all that much. So in comparison to other cryptos. All right, YouTube's fine. Great. Thank you. Man, but I am getting some notifications here. Happy Thursday, Crypto Moonbags. Are you familiar with grid trading? Not very familiar, no. It's Iggy over here, but hey man, how are you? I'm good. Did HBAR prediction change? No. I still think $2. What's going to moon first? Bitcoin, altcoins, please explain. It's usually Bitcoin, but sometimes, so, all right, in December of 2018, Litecoin was the first major cryptocurrency to peak, and then it was Bitcoin. And so I think it's going to be something similar this time around. Thank you, CVO Crypto. I think it's going to be something similar this time around. But I think it's going to be Cardano. Litecoin was number 3 in market cap. I think it's going to be something similar like number 3 market cap coin. Thoughts on BNB? I love BNB. It's one of my top 5 favorites. It's a behemoth. I am not worried about regulations. They did kind of have a ask for forgiveness, not ask for permission approach, which it's coming back to bite them. So whatever. Long term, I'm bullish on BNB. So, hey, bro, I was wondering why alts are doing big movements, but yet again, the consensus with you and others is that they won't really rally till January. No, Alex, that's not my consensus. My consensus is that they will have individual pumps, but here's what I believe. I believe that once Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, alts will pump. But Bitcoin for October, November will outperform those alts until middle of November or something like that. Do you expect Bitcoin to retrace late October, early November? No, I think the retrace is going to come a little bit before that. So me versus CVO crypto in a game of chess. I don't know how good CVO crypto is at chess. I'm pretty good. So I'll say me just because I don't know. Yeah, alts will rally through January. There we go, CVO crypto. But it's more of just like I'm above average at chess. So I will say me. But if CVO crypto is a chess genius, then awesome. Okay. All right, Jason, I watched some streams earlier. They were having issues. Sorry about that. BTT thoughts. BTT, I'm not a fan of anything Justin Sun has touched. So is staking hard, and where do you do that? It's not that hard. There's different platforms. I prefer Pancake Swap for staking. It's pretty easy there. Algo and Link, just that I'm bullish on both. $7 for Algo, $100 for Link. So VeChain, 50 cents. When do you think XRP will go to $8? January, but I see CVOs in here. He thinks it's going to go much higher than that. So just so you know, I mean, I'm pretty conservative with my $8 XRP prediction, $8 to $10. So where do I apply for unemployment? What? Do you get into this Lazio? No, I don't even know what that is. Are you talking about? Oh, the soccer team. Nah. Thoughts on IOTA top out when everything else does, you know? So Pump Fest, okay. When January or so. He won't speak XLM. I've talked about XLM 2 times already this live stream. So no, I mean I think it's going to go to $2 to $3. What's up, Sambo? When do you think Bitcoin will crash after it peaks in December or so? ADA prediction $8. What's your price prediction for XDC? I don't have a price prediction for XDC. The thing that I consistently say is that it will outperform XLM and XRP on the way up, but it'll also crash pretty hard. You World War I with Trading Group, what's up? I'm not sure. Oh, if somebody just tried calling in, I don't know who that was. I didn't see it. So sorry about that. How do coins have market caps? They are not companies. I'm not going to get into an argument about that. Is crypto legitimate long-term hold like 10 years? I think for certain cryptos, yes. Bitcoin and Ethereum for me are long-term holds. I don't know who tried calling in. Again, I apologize if it was CVO or something. I can't. I'm live on YouTube right now, so I can't do a call-in because it's just going to be too frustrating on YouTube. Amp to $1. You're welcome, Lee Shmuel. H-bar prediction, $2. Do you think it's too late to get into most altcoins? No. I think it's a great time to get into altcoins. How did you retire so early? I mean, I'm semi-retired. I'm always going to be working, but like, I just don't need to work. That's why I say I'm semi-retired. I just don't need to work to provide for my family. So would you say all of your predictions from September are the same or have they changed? They're all the same. From September now, yeah. ETH price in 10 years. Over $100,000. Do the bears still have a case? I don't think so. No. How low do you think quant can drop next year? No idea. It's very unpredictable for quant. That is the least predictable cryptocurrency. I think it's going to go through a bear market. Where do you get health insurance if you're retired? I do what's it called? A health sharing plan with my church and with other churches. It's kind of confusing to say ICP is trash. I mean, never mind. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. Sorry, forgive me. I don't think ICP is trash. I just don't like it. I don't like their team. So there's ICP, okay? ICP prediction, much higher than where it is now, but I don't have a specific prediction. Let's see, made 4K since 9:30. Thank you, Alex, watching the launch. Okay, good. Do you think we'll see a 10% dip soon on ETH? That is CVO analysis. I could see that. Yep. I don't think ETH is going to hit an all-time high this month. And we have more than 2 weeks before the month is over. So I think this is a little premature for ETH. Is XLM, XRP, and Algo long-term holds? Not for me. No, I'm going to sell them all at the end. But if people had long-term hold, I think those would be good ones that people can argue for long-term holds. What other business endeavors have you taken? I run a grocery distribution business. I had a social media marketing company, but I sold it and used that money for my grocery distribution business. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. This chat's way too hot for me to keep up. ETH prediction January, $15,000. I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Hop on over to YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I can answer every question there, but not on TikTok. So bear market ETH price prediction, $5,000, and that's going to be very early. And then I think ETH will have its second peak in 2023. So I have not looked into NRT gaming at all. No, I don't know what Gaia Everworld is. XLM $2 to $3. Data and UTK thoughts nothing. Sorry. DOT $200. KLV don't know enough. If I only have 1.2 ETH, better sell and accumulate in bear market or hodl. I would hodl because of that 2023 peak that I was talking about. So you think quant may not go up again? I think it will. Yeah. So ever looked into ARV? I haven't. Thank you, Crypto Gene Official. What's up, John T? Am I holding chain through the bear? I'm going to hold some chain, yeah. Holding ETH forever, convert some stable coin when it's up for profits and reconvert back to ETH when price goes lower. If you want to try to do that, that's fine. I'm not going to do that myself. So when is the time to get into crypto? When will there be a bear market? Oh, there will be a bear market for crypto, yes. So as far as, I mean, I would say only do short-term trades right now. The prices are higher. I think Bitcoin's price at least is higher than where we're going to see it in the bear market. So only do it for short-term trades. I mean, always DCA. If you're buying a little bit every month, that's fine. Airweave. I don't know anything about Airweave. I'm not paying attention to Dent. I know a lot of people are really excited about Dent today. So I haven't looked into it, and so no predictions for new all-time highs or anything like that. What do you think about Shiba? I'm not a fan of Shiba. Is 60K still your end-of-month prediction? Looks like it'll surpass 60K. All I said was that I'm waiting for Bitcoin to cross 60K this month. To me, that will be confirmation that we're going to peak in December. It could certainly cross 60K and go higher than that, and that'll be great, So how do you feel about internet community? Are you talking about ICP? I'm not a huge fan of it, but whatever. Yeah, internet computer. Yep. Is it too late to buy NFTs? I would stay away from NFTs for now. Even the blockchain boy, he's been huge on NFTs and he's made a ton of money. And he said on Twitter that he's done buying NFTs for this cycle. So what did you do to become so knowledgeable about the crypto space? Lots and lots. I consumed like crazy, many, many hours. Thank you for those sunglasses. Let's see. Does Anchor have any potential in this run? Oh, yeah. ADA's making you sweat. How much longer? Don't worry about ADA. It's going to be fine. ADA does this. It just kind of trades sideways for a while, and then all of a sudden, boom, it pumps like crazy. But Anchor definitely has potential this run. I don't have any predictions for ADA. SHIB is a 3x from here, in my opinion. LTCN at $15 to where? I'm not sure what LTCN is. Is that you're talking about? I don't know. Are all these predictions for this cycle? Yes, Rekicam. Yes. How can we make money when you just stake it? When you stake it, just hold. Sorry for my ignorance. Yes, just hold. Yep. Dot bounce off of 35. Maybe. Is it worth throwing about 1K in the graph for this cycle? Yeah, I think so. Hello there. Any prediction for quant late December? No predictions. But yeah, I could see it going to 1,000. But quant is very difficult to predict. What if the ETF futures got approved? What are the market movements? I'm not as familiar with ETF futures. I just don't know. I'd rather have a spot ETF. I'm not excited about a Bitcoin ETF future with, a futures ETF launching. I'd be much more excited about spot. So I just don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. When do you think Theta will moon to $50? I think it'll peak there in January. SafeMoon, is SafeMoon dead? Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of SafeMoon. I hate it. I really do hate SafeMoon. And it might be dead. So I hope it's not dead because I mean, even though I hate it, I own some because that's what I do. I have low standards. I'm mixed trash. I don't know. I'm going to stop talking about that. All right. Any thoughts on Kusama? I mean, Polkadot, I love Polkadot. Polkadot's top 10 for me probably. So Kusama, I naturally do like Kusama. I like their partnership. Polkadot, Kusama, 353 for Kusama. Yeah, it'll easily, in my opinion, get back to its all-time high and beyond that. It seems to be somewhat similar to Polkadot's price action. So is mining even worth it? From what I understand, yes. Lossless and Lattice, I don't know enough about either of those. At Solana prediction, like $600. Cardano by December, I think it's going to peak at $8 December or January. Doge or SHIB? Right now, I would say Doge. Matic is up a ton this year already. Can still make 5 to 10x, you think, like Theta or Dot can? I'm thinking more like 5x. So Jimmy Smith, yeah, thank you. I saw your comment. That's great. Made 40K since 9:30. Awesome. VeChain, 50 cents. Please list the alts you were holding during the bear. Thank you. You're welcome. Chainlink, HBAR, and Binance, and if you want to call Ethereum an alt, then yeah. What do you think about Phantom? I like HBAR better. It seems like copy pasta, but Phantom will do well, just like almost every other crypto this cycle. Where do I see Doge this run? $1 or so. Litecoin end of month prediction, 190, 200, something like that. Do you hate Doge? I wouldn't say I hate Doge. I like Doge more than Shiba Inu. I know that Doge was literally created as a joke and that Shiba Inu is trying to be the Doge killer. I just, Doge has established itself over many years in ways that Shiba Inu hasn't. So does DOT follow Bitcoin price? Well, I mean, to an extent, everything tries to follow Bitcoin's price, or doesn't try. Everything depends on Bitcoin. You know, all of my predictions are based off of Bitcoin crossing its all-time high. If Bitcoin were to get rejected at $64,000, I'm wrong about everything, you know, but I think it's going to cross its all-time high. So if we want to hold long-term, would it be best to sell at the top and try to repurchase in the bear market? I mean, you could try that. You could always try that. I mean, I'm not going to do that, but you know, at least for Bitcoin, I'm selling my alts. You know, I'll take my profits in my alts and put those in stable coins. Bitcoin is not hitting 200K this cycle. Okay, I mean, you know, you're entitled to your opinion. I don't know if you're trying to get a rise out of me. I still think $200,000. I've made 100K since you started this live. Oh my goodness, man, 100K. That's awesome, man. Is Robinhood pick up Shiba? I don't know. I've heard rumors about that. Thoughts on Helium? Yes, Helium. I don't own a Helium miner, but I will one day. I'm hoping to buy some in the bear market and to, not have to wait 5 months to get it. So buy ETH now or wait till BC pullback. I would say wait for a pullback with ETH. Just the clip on 200K. How sold are you on a 1 to 100 basis? Imran, I would say like 60%, 60. I'd say 60. And here's the thing. Here's the thing that I would say about my confidence with Bitcoin hitting 200K. I could see Bitcoin doing a rounded top. Oh, okay, Wreck-It. I could see Bitcoin perhaps doing a rounded top like it did in May. You know, maybe instead of going to 200K, it spends a long time at like 120, 130. I would be shocked if Bitcoin didn't hit $100,000 this year. But so yeah, plan B hasn't been right so far. I think to get his 100K average, we need to hit high 100s. Yeah, I think so. ETH breakout soon or quick dump? I'd more lean towards quick dump. How do you know how much to hold on to coins in the bear market? It's just you need to decide for yourself a percentage or something like that. So I think Bitcoin's going to 200K this cycle. Yeah, 200K would be cool for alts, yes. So it just depends on you. For me, I'm probably going to sell about 60% of my crypto, but not any of my Bitcoin. So how many X you think IOTA may go? I don't know. But adding some or hollow, why not both? So how long... Oh man, internet applications for the mass for Ethereum. I have no idea. Sorry. Bitcoin is 64K by end of October. I think we will see at some point a 64K Bitcoin, but I think it's going to get rejected there. Link prediction $100 this cycle. Ethereum 15,000 this cycle. ETH breakout sooner, quick dump. I responded to that. What DOT alts would you recommend? I'm not into DOT alts. That's a little. I'm already all in, and I haven't done research on any of those. So. Theta to $50. Saw a guy on TikTok today trying to make a case for SHIB to hit $1. Never. SHIB is never hitting $1. There is half of a quadrillion SHIB in existence. And I understand burning, but there's no way they're going to be able to burn 99% of their supply. There's no way. So that would mean a $5 trillion market cap. It's not happening. Bitcoin price during the bear market, 200-day simple moving average, which I think will rise to about $50,000. Can I post in a Twitter my price predictions, please? That's not a bad idea. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin, and maybe I'll do that. Would selling ATH limit sell orders for mid-cap alt to be a sensible strategy for this cycle? What? Setting ATH. Bobby, I just would wait and see. Sometime, let's just say Bitcoin does peak in December. I would wait and see. I think Litecoin's going to 10x. I would wait and see what Bitcoin does. And then after that, I'd make my decisions for alts. Do you think it's possible Bit could hit all-time high sooner than November? It's possible, Sambo, yeah, but I think November, first week of November. Any coins looking at an imminent breakout, it's really hard. It's really difficult to predict. Right now it is in general, it's Bitcoin season. So ACH don't know enough. Moon, Shiba, Doge, Lambo. That sounds stupid. Yep, Litecoin 10x. Litecoin's not dead. I know that you guys, I love hearing that because you guys are going to be blindsided when Litecoin does what I'm very confident Litecoin is going to do. I'm not trying to skip quant questions, man. There's 327 people in here. I've talked about quant like a dozen times this live stream already. Quant is very unpredictable. So quant does what quant does, okay? What's up with AXS? It's still pumping, and maybe it's just going to keep pumping forever, So you're welcome. You think AMP is good long-term hold? I think it's going to exist long-term, which means it's a good long-term hold. But I'm going to sell all of my AMP at the end. Yeah, give me a break. Thank you, Chris. You think mid-November is when most alts have all-time highs? Late November. When do you think ETH will dip this coming week? Yeah, I mean, the rest of the week. Didn't hear if you answered yesterday, but thoughts on what happens to stocks and trust based on crypto when a true ETF comes around. Think the stocks will dump as people jump ship. There's going to be some struggling. I mean, that happened with Grayscale. Grayscale, as soon as a Bitcoin ETF was launched in Canada, Grayscale started selling at a discount, in comparison to the price of Bitcoin. It used to be perfectly correlated with Bitcoin, but the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was very difficult on Grayscale. So I could see something similar happening. So, but Litecoin at 180 to 200 this month. I think Litecoin's going to $1,500. So, man, this TikTok chat is blazing hot. Another sign that the top is in for those of you who are new to my live stream is that there's going to be 1,000 people in this live stream. So. Ben Cohen has suggested Bitcoin will never be sub 40K again. I agree with Ben Cohen. Yep. Litecoin end of year, January, $1,500. What do you think about Cake? Will it start to pick up later? Yes, I think it's going to $100 this cycle. So thoughts on Telcoin, don't know enough, but Trader 360 on Twitter. I really like his content and he's big into it. So check him out. If XLM goes 10x, price around $3 for Quant to go 10x, it's 3K. I feel my XLM will see bigger gains than Quant. I agree with you, Tata. Yep. Luna prediction, please, $100. Matic, $8. Please don't spam. Can you buy HBAR on Voyager? You can, yes. SHIB is trash, yes. Oh, my goodness. All right, Christian. I'm sorry. I need to do something on YouTube real quick. Christian Foya, I'm going to block you. No offense. So, Juan Chain, any thoughts? No thoughts. Let's see what else. AMP $1, yes. Safe Moon to the moon, maybe not. Can you please repeat the prediction for Litecoin? I don't. Yeah, I mean, you can be sorry. You know what? I'll just mute you. If I can mute you, that'll be enough. So, let's see. Put user in timeout. You are in timeout, Christian. Christian. So, okay. Any good buys now? Lots of good buys. So, Shiba or Litecoin 10x first. Litecoin is not, or sorry, Shiba is not 10xing from here. There's no way. AMP good long term. Yeah, I answered that. I'm accumulating Litecoin with all my mining profits. Roosevelt Taylor, still 56 years old, tuning in today. Thank you. Thank you. Do you think America will adopt Bitcoin and start their own coin? I think they're going to start their own coin and it's going to be trash. It's probably going to be like, a dollar coin, which, they'll be able to inject as much of that into the market and increase the M1 money supply like they always do. That's drugs. So thank you, Sambo. Yeah, so any good buys? Now, I think just the whole crypto market is a good buy right now for short-term gains. I expect AMP to 10x this cycle, yes. I don't have a price prediction for Axie Infinity. It's just going crazy. 10x means that it'll go 10 times what it is today. So, yo, everyone. What's up, Easy E242? Luna and SRM price prediction. Luna, $100. SRM, I don't have one. Have a look at Liquidus. I'm all in with crypto right now. I had to sell. I'm not looking at any new cryptos right now. Sorry. I had to sell $7,500 of crypto yesterday with much pain and tears in my eyes so I could pay some federal taxes. So anyway, Litecoin barely pumps. Just wait. It's going to, Litecoin is what Litecoin is this time, this part of the cycle is Dogecoin. Just wait. So XRP by the end of the year, early 2022, $8 to $10 in my opinion. So, okay, what do you think Bitcoin and ETH will go down after this bull run? I've talked a lot about that. I mean, 200-week simple moving average for Bitcoin. I don't think ETH is going to go down all that much. I mean, it'll peak at $15,000 in my opinion, and then it will go down to about $5,000 in my opinion, and then have a second peak in 2023 because of EIP 3675, aka ETH 2.0. Litecoin prices cheaper versions of Bitcoin. Sure, yeah. Is my Litecoin prediction conservative? Some people say I'm crazy for predicting $1,500 Litecoin. It just depends. I think Litecoin could do much higher than my $1,500 prediction. So for me, it is kind of conservative, honestly. Do you think Chainlink's weekly increase in the circulating supply will continue to suppress its price through the rest of the bull cycle? No, Chainlink's going to go up. So I have been watching VXV. It has been frustrating, yes. Did you say second peak for ETH in 2023 or 2022? I said 2023. It's like a halving on steroids for ETH that's coming. So VXV, I still like VXV. I still think it's going to $100. Thank you, Kendra. What do you think Bitcoin and ETH? Yeah, answered that. LSS, I don't know enough. Anchor, I don't have a price for Anchor. Higher. Everything is going to go higher if Bitcoin crosses its all-time high again. In January, all us coin heads need to get together and have a thank you party somewhere. Yeah, the Maldives. I don't love all the altcoins I'm in, so plan to sell 100% at start over in bear market. That's how, now that I'm much more educated, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Is it sane to get open long futures on Litecoin? I think I would not do futures trading with crypto. Crypto is already volatile enough. But that's just me. If you want to do that, so be it. When will we finish the bull market? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December. In January will be the alt peaks. So Bitcoin is 65K by the end of 2021. How about the end of October? Sometime when you get time, look at LSS. They're partnering with Wix websites. It's going to be in the bear market, Logan. But yeah, I'm going to do a deep dive on every cryptocurrency known to man in the bear market. HBAR still safe? Yes. Prediction $200. Yeah. VXV 100. How do you feel about XRP? Oh, man. Algo, Vet, Songbird, and Spark Token. I don't know anything about Songbird and Spark Token. I really like XRP, Algo, and Vet. So have you heard of the no coin Matt? Same as AXS. I have not heard of it. No. ETN, I don't have a price prediction. Sorry. So Cat Girl, not paying attention to Cat Girl. Thank you, MK30 Chowja. What would you buy today if you had $1,000? Ethereum and Litecoin. Let's see. Do you utilize Celsius or Nexo? Celsius. I will get in. I'll probably download every app that offers returns on my crypto in the bear market. So I'll get into Nexo. I'll get into other ones as well. I think I need to jump ship on Grayscale sooner than later, then move it to a true ETF when it happens. Maybe Nick. Please don't forget to. All right, MK, I won't. Think Ethereum Classic sees a 5x from here. Yes, I do, but it's going to be quick and then it's going to crash hard. So don't be greedy. Hi, 1 inch, keep your 1 inch. 1 inch, I see 1 inch is pumping. Hold on to it. I think it has a lot more upward momentum because of that partnership with Binance. So you said Urban Litecoin. What? Urban Litecoin? XDC, I don't have a price prediction for XDC, but higher. Thank you, Darius. Would you ever consider making a TikTok or YouTube video explaining your entire portfolio split? Or have you done that already? I don't know if I will. I might just do my top 5 cryptocurrencies that I have. But not my entire portfolio. Thoughts on DAG, price prediction for its altcoin run up. DAG, I don't have, sorry. I haven't paid attention to DAG. So when will the new EIP take place for ETH? They say end of this year, but they tend to delay it. They tend to delay their EIPs. So I think, what's up, Denmark? I think it's going to take place in early 2022, and then there's going to be a delay before the supply crunch just crushes it. So do I use a bot? I did use a bot, and it performed very poorly. I put like $1,000 in there just to check it out, and it hasn't done well. What happened to Swing Trade Brian? Oh, shoot, I haven't heard from Swing Trade Brian in a while. I'm going to make so much money if Litecoin gets to 1,000. I'll fly you out here so I can have Lakers versus Boston game. That would be awesome. I would love that. What do you think about BNB? I think I already answered that exact question that you asked, and I think BNB is a behemoth. BNB is a long-term hold for me. I think they're going to do very well in the bear market. So, in comparison to other cryptos at least. I looked at Celsius, 1 Bitcoin as collateral for 15K loan at 1% APY, a good deal. I think so, yeah. How did you learn to read charts? Just trial and error, lots of trial and error. So did you say HBAR $200? No, I said $2. $200 would put HBAR at a $3 trillion market cap. That's not happening anytime soon. So do you expect VET to boom a little soon? Somebody told me that VET is pumping already today, at least. So, but yeah. How will utility coins be affected in bear market? It depends on the coin. I don't have a specific answer for that. So let's see. VXV $100 in peak, but have a bear market. Yes. 7% VET jump today. Excellent. Yeah, that's great. And I think VET to 50 cents still. I don't get why bears still are trying to convince we're going to 20K. They want to be right. That's why. When am I launching my classes? Probably end of November, something like that. So everyone keeps asking about Solana, but you're not giving anything on it. Try answering questions when there's 350 plus people in here. I still think Solana to $600. I've talked a ton about Solana. Every day I talk a ton about Solana. I am buying up a bunch of Solana in the bear market. That is maybe my number one priority, is to load up on Solana in the bear market. VET to 50 cents or 9.9. It might be 0.9. Can coins still pump in a bear market? They'll have little pumps, but most of them will just wait until the next Bitcoin cycle. So I just don't know enough about DAGs and no price predictions. I'm in the UK, use Binance, can't find VXV or DAG or anything. Sorry about that. I don't have any suggestions for UK. SafeMoon's the future. That's funny. Let's see. Let's see. ETN. I don't know enough about ETN. Avalanche, also DCA coin. Yeah. You're welcome, Casey. ETH this month. I don't think we're going to see an all-time high for ETH this month. So it's going to be a slow mover. I think we're due for a little bit of correction. So let's see. Songbird and Spark token came from the Flare network that XRP holders got back in December 12th, 2020 from the snapshot. Okay. Why don't you think VET can't reach $1? I'm just a little nervous about VET. China is doing some crazy things. VET has a lot of Chinese partnerships, and so they're being a little shady. So maybe that's going to affect VET. When do you predict the bear market? 2022. Light Doge is a sleeper. All right, SafeMoon. I'm muting SafeMoon to the moon, baby, because you keep spamming that crap. All right, let's see. Do you like chilies? It's okay. They essentially make meme coins. So, all right. If you had 100K, how would you diversify it and in what time frame? Harmony One. I just don't know enough about Harmony One, but it's under the radar, which is a good sign for me. 100K, Bitcoin 25%, Ethereum 35%, spread the rest out. Solana, Polkadot, Binance, VeChain, Avalanche, HBAR, XRP, Cardano, whatever else, Shiba reached Copper, what? You talking about market cap? I don't know where Copper's market cap is. So do you think Tether is safe? I think Tether is more safe than other people think. So yeah, dot prediction, Jace, $200. Sorry if you already answered, but I'm curious why you're so bullish on Litecoin. Yeah, I answer that question all the time. I have a pinned video on my TikTok because of that question. So check out my pinned video on TikTok about Litecoin. XYO, please, 20 cents. Wire cycles every 4 years because of Bitcoin's halvings. You've got to pay attention to Bitcoin's halvings. So Do you have any suggestions in MX to purchase crypto? I don't know about how to get crypto in Mexico. For those of you on YouTube, the YouTube live stream, smash up that like button, please. I see that there's 9 likes. I would appreciate it if we get more likes, you know. You can buy, I'm Songbird. Okay. You know, I'm sorry. That's fine. I'm not going to buy Songbird right now. I'll look into it in the bear market. Curved out token. Don't know enough. Is MetaMask only used to store ETH? No, there's different wallets you can get. There's Binance. There's other things like that. So you're welcome, Mivita. Do you think Quant will perform well during the bear market? It could. It's weird. Yeah, double tap that screen as well for those of you on TikTok. It's weird with Quant. I just don't know what to say about Quant because Quant really hasn't experienced a bear market. Can Shiba hit a penny at its current supply? That would give it a $5 trillion market cap. If it burned 99% of its supply, which is impossible because there's going to be people holding Shiba in their wallets and forgetting about it, that's still way too big of a market cap. I don't think Shiba is ever gonna reach a penny. Unless the dollar dies, you know, then yes. Will ETH explode with ETH 2.0? I believe ETH will explode with ETH 2.0. For those of you who are new to this, it's like, you know, if you know anything about Bitcoin's halvings, then every 4 years the supply is cut, the mining production's cut in half, and that's what causes the price to go up. It's 4-year cycles, and ETH is about to do something where they're going to cut their supply, their mining supply in a tenth, in 1/10. So like, instead of 12,800 ETH being mined a day, it's going to be 1,280 ETH in staking rewards. That's going to be insane. Insane. So I don't worry about Tether, no. Shiba price prediction this cycle, like 3x from here. It's 11th in market cap, and it's already pumped a ton. I just don't see much more happening. So yeah, standalone video with predictions for those things, maybe. We'll see. I mean, actually, I did a standalone TikTok with those predictions. So, all right, good price to accumulate DOT and Link in a bear market, Doge and Shiba too. I don't have an answer for you. Thank you, Blockchain. Who is that? Blockchain Buckeye. Thank you, Blockchain Buckeye. I don't have an answer for you for Doge and Shiba, but Doge and Shiba in the bear market. Listen, I know that I don't like, you guys know that I don't like Doge and Shiba, but Doge and Shiba will flatline during the bear market, and then they'll pump even higher in the next bull market. So whatever that flatline is, it's going to be very easy to get into both of those and to not lose all that much money. So can ADA ever be like Solana, $140? ADA is bigger than Solana in market cap. Don't pay attention to price. Pay attention to market cap. ADA is already bigger than Solana. The question is, can Solana ever be like ADA? Okay, and the answer is yes. Good price to accumulate. Oh yeah, so DOT and Link in the bear market, I think a little bit higher than where both of them are right now. Wish I'd found you 6 months ago when I first got into crypto and wasted money on SafeMoon and other trash. I wish you found me too. Why does Crypto Weatherman think HBAR will only reach 96 cents? He's very mathematical. I don't think he weighs out all that much, and this is not a knock against him. I don't think he weighs out all that much the insanity that's going to come with Bitcoin reaching 6 figures and with other cryptos reaching those price points. So no worries, no worries. 700 more viewers, we will all sell. Yes, best place to start for TA study. Should I take a course? Yeah, Crypto Weatherman, Crypto Jeb might be a good one. I have not bought his CT2A Academy, but I like Crypto Jeb a lot. So yes, X Mysterios, I need likes on my YouTube channel, YouTube video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Battery on low. What? But good to see you. Goony Goo Goo. CSPR, don't know enough. Solana smart contracts are embarrassingly bad. I mean, they have other things going for them, if that's true. So these meme coins need to stop occupying positions in the top 20. That I agree with you. At the same time, it's an entry for people. There's a payoff. It's an entry for people into the marketplace who have never been here before. So, all right, X Mysterio smashed it 3 times. I mean, I'm kind of embarrassed to say my first ever crypto prediction, or not prediction, my first ever crypto purchase was Doge in December of 2013. So When will Pancake blow up? Everything like late November, something like that. So ETH, how low will ETH go on the dip? I mean, if it were to get under $3,500, I would start buying some. Will Litecoin drop again before it shoots up? I don't think it's going to drop all that much more. So let's see. I was stupid for not getting into ETH. Should I now? Yes, always. If you get in now, you're still very early. But yeah, I do think there's going to be a bit of a correction. I don't know where Swing Trade Brian is. I hope he comes back. You better be on 24/7 this bull run. Oh man, Red Man crazy. There's going to be some issues. Fourth quarter for my business. That is the time when I will have to work a lot more on my business. Even though I'm semi-retired, I'm just going to have to work a lot more. And I make about 60% of my income for the fourth quarter. So they're making the other altcoins insecure. That's a good point. Yeah. End of bull market, December, January, something like that. So should I put 50K on Shiba Inu? No. Okay, good. You're just kidding. Can ADA go under $2 now? I don't think ADA is going under $2. How long have I been live? Since 1:49 p.m. Eastern time. H-bar target, $2. What's good, Lucci the Gucci? Guys, what do you think about Jasmine? I don't know anything about Jasmine. Why don't you get invited to BitBoy show? I don't know. I'm not big enough yet. You know, I mean, I'll still grind at it, but listen, BitBoy Crypto is a punk. He's a beta male. He's very wrong with his predictions. And if he never invites me because of what I think about him, then so be it. You know, I don't have to be on his show. Bye, Mr. Safe Moon Shill. Yeah, are miners profitable? It depends. It depends. So I deserve more viewers and subs. Thank you, Ed Deese. I do. Yeah. Follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know what to say aside from the fact that good luck finding somebody with Bitcoin, not with other cryptocurrencies, but with Bitcoin, who's been more accurate than me over the last 3 months. So some people are predicting 6K quant end of bull run. Wow. That seems a little wild to me. But dude, honestly, my heart says yes. My mind says no, but my heart says yes. So, did you get in on Vector Space? Yes. Put your dust money in Shiba and forget about it and check out it 1 year later. You might be surprised. I have $1,000 worth of Shiba. Okay. So Tron ready to boom? Maybe. 25K in ETH or Litecoin for this cycle. I mean, my number one answer is always going to be ETH. So thank you, CBK Bug. Algo, $7. XYO, any value in buying it? I think it's going to 20 cents or so. I made a few dollars with SHIB. Yeah. All right. X Mysterios already subscribed. Thank you. Will it be harder for Bitcoin to double this bull run compared to others? No, I don't think so. The volume is there. I know people are saying the volume's low, but look at the volume now in comparison to 2017. The craziest day. All right, think about this, everybody. In a span of 2 weeks, we have had a 2017 bull run in us with the price of Bitcoin. It's gone up $16,000. No, it's gone up $18,000. That's about the 20. And we just did that while sleeping, So it's one of those things like the volume is there. We can very easily double the price in the market cap of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at 80K this year, why so conservative? All right, other than that, Jimmy Smith, I'm not sure what you're saying. AVAX prediction, I don't have one, but higher. I think in the long run, Flare networks will overtake the smart contracts. I need to look into it more. So I should start a Discord. I did start one, and then I didn't pay attention to it all that much. I'm better than Butt Boy. That's not saying much, but thank you. Do you like that guy with the glasses that does crypto? I don't know his name. I don't know his name either. The guy with the glasses. You only considering getting a HNT miner in the bear market will still be profitable then? Yes. HNT has halvings just like Bitcoin does. So dude is on point. How do I feel about mirroring accounts? I don't know what that is. Hey, Dean and Bance, I'm well. Yeah, good to see you. CVO Crypto has glass. Oh, yeah, I like CVO Crypto. Is that who you're talking about? Name in the crypto course you recommend again? I don't know if I would recommend it. I just like Crypto Jeb. And his CT2A Academy, whatever that is, I've never looked into it, but I like his technical analysis. Is Matic going to go up? Yes, it will. Can VET hit $1 by the end of this year? Can it? Yes. Will it? I don't think so. I think it's going to hit 50 cents by January. Biker Steve, what? All right, what's up, Easy E? Did you say $200 H-bar? Again, I did not say $200 H-bar. No. I said $2 H bar. Okay, there we go. I bought 2 NFTs. I'm getting a phone call right now. What's going on? But I don't see who's calling me. Oh, shoot, my bank. Oh, no. I was supposed to do something. Oh, well. Future of Solana. Awesome future. Browsing around. Anyone has any good ETH projects I can look into? Not me. Can Bitcoin go under 56,000? Now, it could, yeah, but I don't think so. As soon as we see Bitcoin at 80, 90, sellers will start going off. No. As soon as we see Bitcoin at $60,000, $65,000, sellers will start going off. But you've got to look at on-chain analytics. That's what happens is they start getting conservative and start taking profits, but it's still going to pump because the buying volume is going to be much bigger than the selling volume. Hollow chain, 10 to 20x from here. Is Uniswap and PancakeSwap the same thing? It's not. No. Nope. BitBoy is a pump and dumper. I remember him saying Chainlink at $50 is a good buy. Ooh. What will Bitcoin go down during the bear market? Like you said, ETH will go to 5K. I think this is 200-week moving average. It won't close on a weekly basis under the 200-week moving average. Whatever that gets up to, I think it's going to be, what am I thinking? I think it's going to be around $50,000 at that time. So why does Pablo keep fighting about one whale selling Bitcoin? Because he's desperate and he wants to be right. But BTS, don't tag me in posts where you rip on Pablo. I saw your comment where you ripped on Pablo. I didn't appreciate that. So EOS, I don't think it's going back to its 2018 high. It might die. So other than normal 5% on your stake, can your money increase with the market gain, or are you stuck with the staking interest? It can increase. Thank you, Justice Dave. Really appreciate that. Will Bitcoin go past 100K this year? I believe so. Check out my most recent TikTok. Flair is a closeted XRP shill. Okay, I just don't know enough. So from TikTok, he's older guy. Okay. Alexander Lorenzo is good also. Do I sell Bitcoin at the end of the bull? I'm not going to. All right, don't call me Daddy Alex, but okay. Do I sell Bitcoin at the end of the bull? I'm not going to, but sure, you can. Yeah, this is not financial advice. EGLD prediction, I don't have one, sorry. You're holding any ETH for the kids? Yeah, I bought my kids ETH. I bought them Litecoin. I bought them Ethereum. I will sell all of their Litecoin and put that into Bitcoin. Crypto Slut predicted 15K ETH. I don't know who that is, and I'm not going to look into it, so... thoughts about the super cycle? I don't think there's a super cycle. Nope. Which altcoin for the max profit this run? Something I've never heard of. Price for HBAR next bull run, double digits. Super cycle this or next bull run? Maybe next one, but I wouldn't be surprised if the next one wasn't a super cycle either. Maybe in the 2030s. Could Biden appointing a new crypto czar derail this bull run? It would have to happen in the next couple months. I don't think they're going to be able to stop at this bull run. Maybe next bull run. My exit plan... 60%. I made a video about that. Check it out. Exit strategies was the sticker on it. So cat girl to the moon. No, don't buy cat girl. Don't chase a green candle. Appreciate you, Alex. You're welcome, Lee. Will all season look like a flash pump or gradually go up and hold for a bit? Sambo, it's going to be different for each cryptocurrency. It's going to be very, very different. So if you see something go parabolic, that means that's the end for that particular crypto. So Crow $2+ this year. I don't think so. It's possible, but what's your pickup on the bear market? I mean, I'm going to be buying a lot of Solana and Quant. I'll be buying a lot of Doge. Osgod, what's up? I'd say Bitcoin, but why do you care? You bought a $1 billion mall or something like that. So let's see. Would Biden putting regulation on crypto be considered a black swan event? Nope. There's no way that... No, I'm not going to answer that, but when will Litecoin run? Got to be patient. I think after Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, we're going to see some crazy stuff going on with Litecoin. Good day, Max Powers. My Voyager reward code, my referral code, ALE749. A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in Elephant, 749. Would you sell all your Litecoin at $1,500? It just depends. But I am selling all of my Litecoin at the end of this. Yes, I have a decent amount of Litecoin, but I'm selling all of it at the end because, listen, I'm not a Litecoin fan. What is the safest hot wallet you trust? I like Trust Wallet. I like MetaMask. I got a Helium miner, but it's taking 4 months to come. But do you have an HNT prediction? I don't have any price predictions for HNT, no. How high do you think Bitcoin will go? $200,000. Why $200,000? I saw a question about that. I've talked about it a lot, but I mean, really, it's just essentially, you know, the peak was from 2011 to 2013 was 40x. From 2013 to 2017 was 20x. From 2017 to 2021, I think it's going to be a 20 or a 10x. So buy Gallant token, okay. Is there any regulation that the government could implement that could curl crypto? No, it would have to be a global effort. How do you define parabolic? Just things shoot up like crazy. So, will you make a post when you're about to sell? Yes. You're welcome, Sambo. Better investment Solana or Litecoin? Long-term Solana, short-term Litecoin. Converted my Chainlink and Doge to Quant today. Wise move. It's okay. Honestly, I think they're going to perform very similarly. So Cody Finance, I don't know about Cody. VGX token, I mean, I love Voyager, so VGX should be doing well, but I don't know. Yeah, Bitcoin makes crazy moves out of nowhere. Yep, I work a full-time job and can't look at the price of my coins for several hours at a time. Any suggestions on how to not miss out on the parabolic runs? I guess DCA out, but most money is made at it. Honestly, Grant, man, I don't know. Maybe if you're able to set a stop loss, you know, but be aggressive, like a 20% stop loss, something like that. What price am I selling Litecoin at? It just depends on how high it goes. It could go much higher than $1,500. Or it could go only to $1,000. I don't know. Can DOT reach 100? I think it's going to hit $200. Prediction on Litecoin, $1,500. ICP, I don't like ICP, but it is a good fundamental cryptocurrency. Is there any chance that alt season does not happen? It didn't happen in May, not like what should have happened. So I'm going to keep my eyes on that. And one thing I'm going to pay attention to is, does Bitcoin have a blow-off top or a rounded top? If it has a rounded top, I don't know about alt season. It might not happen. If we see a lot of euphoria in random places, like in May, it was in Doge and in meme coins. You know, if that happens again, then maybe we won't have alt season. But if it goes like 2017, we're going to have a huge alt season. Percentage of holdings in crypto versus stocks, it's 90% crypto. ETH possibly forming a triple top. Yes, I think so. Thoughts on Atom and AMP? I like both of them. I like Quant more than Atom, but AMP I think is one of a kind. And so I'm very bullish on it long term. $100 for Atom, $1 for AMP. Respect to you. Thank you, X Mysterios. I have tiny bags of Atom and AMP. Want to liquidate, consolidate. I'd just hold on to it. Bought Solana and Voyager, but it says it's not transferable. I did not know that. I don't know. I saw your questions about 6 months. The tax request, I don't know what's up with that, but that does sound shady. I want to load up on Link and Dot in the bear market thoughts. I think those are great ones to load up on. Yeah. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I'm live on YouTube right now. Let's see. I know Baby Doge is a BEP20 meme coin, but it just made 30K in a week. Excellent. You know, that's great. I'm happy for you. I'm not going to touch that. So Doge to $1. Tangy token. I don't know anything about that. Am I all in? Yes, I am. Yeah. Soul Razor. I don't know what that is. How are you going to manage all the exchanges to sell crypto? We'll see what happens when I get there. You know, I can sell on all of them. So I'll just, you know, hop on each one. What determines what price to sell your Litecoin at? It just depends at what it's at in January. So I'm more excited for the bear market. Yeah, me too. Yeah. When do you think the bear market will start? Anyone? 2022. So I'm sorry if this has been asked. I don't know what you already asked. So, and good luck. Ethereum Classic. Okay. Ethereum Classic will outperform Ethereum on the way up, but it's also going to dump really hard at the end. Oh, wow. It's only at $54 right now. I mean, I think Ethereum Classic will easily get back to its all-time high, which was, I think, around 175. And so after that, you know, we'll see. Maybe $300 or so, maybe higher. I don't know. But don't hold on to it at the end. Good platform or exchange to set up. I like Voyager. Watch list and alerts. Let's see. What's the name of this one? Coin Codex is not a bad one. Yeah. Give me 1 second. All right, let's see. Should I sell my Uniswap for more DOT? Not necessarily, no. I'm not going to answer your question, acute. I got burned on Litecoin when Charlie sold out last cycle. For fingers crossed this time works out. I hope it works out. Your price prediction is for December 2021. For Bitcoin, it is. Top 5 coin that can 10x from current price. I don't think any top 5 coin is going to 10x. Aesthetics, thank you. I hope my account goes to the moon. I hope yours goes to the moon. Momac, I did answer your question about that. I don't know why they want your taxes. They didn't want mine. I don't know anything about Telos or DRGN. Algo, $7. 5 coins to hold for 5 years. I'm going to give you 7. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Quant, and Solana. So XRP will 10x. Is it a top 5 coin? Yeah, XRP might 10x. So which crypto do you use for trading value from one exchange to another? XLM, XRP, or Solana? I haven't done that enough. I'm sorry. Thoughts on KuCoin? Started a small moon bag on it this week. So I hear KuCoin's fees are pretty high. That's a bummer. But I don't use KuCoin. I know they have access to a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of ones that I would really love to get into, but that's it. Oh, my top 5 pick for 10x. I mean, Litecoin. I've been saying Polkadot for a while, but not anymore. Yeah, DRGN, I don't know. All on my money, 17K is in VET. Is this right? No, it's not right. I would spread it out. Kishu Inu is the next parabolic token. Okay. Yeah, KuCoin's good for small caps. Oh, Mama C. Okay, you can't fix it. All right, I am done with the live stream. I've been on for about an hour. It's pretty tiring, going through all the questions and stuff, but I really appreciate your time. Follow me on TikTok. Those of you watching live on TikTok, I have been on point and I will continue to be on point. You've got to follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. And OC Pet Doctor, let me answer your question. And then VFAM, 60% VET, 40% ADA. Is that for money that you're looking to put in? If that's your portfolio, I would say no, you should spread it out more. But OC Pet Doctor, having a hard time picking large caps with most potential. Hard time seeing coins like Solana and Argo still doing 2 to 3x. I mean, if Bitcoin does a 4x from here, which is possible, then those will certainly 2 to 3x. It just, it depends. I think Solana is not a good choice for the rest of the run in comparison to other cryptos, but you're going to be making money if Bitcoin does what Bitcoin's going to do. So thank you all on TikTok. Thank you, Trump Rules. Thank you, Snatchy, Sambo. Thank you, Jace. Jimmy, I'm sorry I announced that I'm going to be done. So let's see. Twitter, the SEC Twitter just tweeted about investing in Bitcoin. I'll check that out. All right. Thank you all. Again, all those channels. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram. I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I am done. Thank you all. Much love to you all. Peace. Smiles. What's up? I'm out.